What is up, guys? My name is Epigu, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install Windows 11 Pro on any device. And even if it doesn't meet the requirements it should meet in order to install it on the PC or your laptop. It can work on a laptop that is like 7 years old, 10 years old, 5 years old, 4 years old, you know. And maybe you're just not getting the update because it says it's below the recommended below the recommendation. So what you're gonna do, you have to download this ISO. This ISO is an image that the Windows 11 is on, that like just the whole installation of Windows is there. So you will have to download a torrent client, so you can download this image. You can download a Qubit torrent. I'm gonna give you guys the website in the description. You can download from here. You're gonna go to download, then you're gonna go with 32-bit and 64-bit installers. You're gonna click on that. It's gonna download. After that, you're gonna install it, and then you're good to go. After that, you're gonna go to this site. I'm gonna post it in the description, and you're going to download this Windows 11 Pro Insider Preview 21H2 x64 English US blah blah blah. So you just click on this and then you click open BitTorrent. It's gonna open. Then you're gonna download it. After you have it, you're gonna go to your into the file that you downloaded it to, and you'll see that you have some Rufus USB and Windows 11 x64 Pro September activation office blah blah blah, or it's gonna be named something else. It doesn't really matter. After that, what you're gonna do is you will give me a sec. You will actually you have to use a USB in order to boot the Windows. The Windows from the USB. So you will need at least 8 gigs of USB storage. So you plug it into your PC. Okay, after you plug it into your PC, you're gonna go to this folder, Rufus USB tool. You're gonna click on that. You're gonna go yes. And then this window is gonna open up. Give it a sec. Alright. And what's gonna happen is you will have you're gonna have devices here, and you're gonna select the USB drive. So no label E, that's mine. After that, you're gonna click select. So you're gonna select the Windows you want to install on that USB. You're gonna click this. After that, you're gonna click on standard Windows installation, partition scheme, MBR, and the volume level you can keep it like that. File system NTFS, and cluster size default. After that, you're gonna click start, and after that, you're gonna wait for a bit. It's gonna take some time. It's gonna install the Windows on the USB, and now I already have it on my USB, I think. So yeah. And now what you're gonna do, I'm gonna give you guys a new file, a WinRAR file, which is gonna bypass the USB. And you can install it on any device, even if it's below recommended settings, below the requirements. So I'm gonna put it in the description for you, and after you download it, you're gonna open it. It's gonna be called sources. And after that, after you have your USB installed with the Windows 11, I'm gonna go to this PC. Gonna click twice on this, and then you're gonna go to sources, and you're gonna go to sources in the WinRAR. You download it, and you're gonna copy everything here to the sources, to here, and it's gonna ask you if you want to replace all the files. You're gonna click yes, and after you have it, you can just close everything. And now what you're gonna do, you're gonna plug the USB into your laptop or your PC, and I'm gonna show you guys.
So I have my laptop here. It's a Lenovo. It was a gaming office laptop in 2013. It was pretty expensive back then, and now I'm just using it for office work and stuff. So now pick up your USB and plug it into your laptop in a USB port, any USB port you have. I can't plug it in. All right, it's in, and now what you're gonna do, depends on your laptop or your PC, but you have to go into your BIOS or your boot menu. So what you're gonna do, I'm gonna click on this this little, I don't know if you can see it, but there should be a little button here, as you can see. I'm gonna press it, and it's gonna prompt me into the boot menu, the BIOS menu. You will see in a sec. Okay, Lenovo. And as you can see, we're in Lenovo button menu. So we're gonna go straight to boot menu. And you're gonna click on USB HDD. So you're gonna put on your HDD, not HDD, USB. And then click enter. All right. Now we can see we're booting into Windows 11. Not the installation, sorry. It's gonna take some time until it's gonna load, because USB is really slow. Depends what USB you have, but this is a slow one. It's an old one. Probably like 7 years old, 8 years old actually. All right, we're in. All right, guys, so the setup is starting. All right, we're in. So now you're gonna choose what language you wanna install. So I think you're gonna go with English. Go next. Now you're gonna wait a little bit. And now accept, next. And as you can see, this laptop is 7 years old, 8 years old. It's from the 2013, and it's not supported, but it is supported because we bypassed the requirements that you need to have in order to install it. So now you're just gonna go and install it. So you're gonna click what partition you wanna have. You can format it. So you're gonna format it, and then you click next, and it's gonna install on that disk. So yeah, and yeah, but I already have it, so I'm not gonna install it because I already installed it yesterday. I'm gonna click yes, and I'm gonna restart my laptop, and I'm gonna show you that Windows 11 is actually working on this device. That I wasn't joking about it. And as you can see, Windows 11 is working on this 2013 device, on this 2013 laptop. Yeah, and we're in. So yeah, so if you enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you, make sure to subscribe and follow me, and I'll see you guys in the next video.